What is a function? A function is a relationship with one or more variables where each input has exactly one output. Remember, it's just like the chickens going into the nuggetizer. They came out as chicken nuggets, so exactly one output. Each input is only allowed to correspond to one output. In a function, none of the x values repeat. So when we are looking at functions, we're going to look at several different ways, and these right here are called function maps. So this is a function map. And we're going to decide if the following are functions or not. So if you look here, we have this map, and these are corresponding to the points. So you can plot points to check this. So 2, 1 would be here. 4, 2 is here. So I'm looking at each line. Do you see how 4 goes to 2 and then 6 goes to 3? So these are all my x values, and these are all my y values. So 6, 3, and then 4, 4. And if you notice here, 4 is repeated, and there are 2 different y values for 4. So this is not a function. The way that you could also do this is by using the vertical line test. So if I were to draw a vertical line, so remember vertical lines, and move it over at this point right here, it's hitting twice. So therefore it is not a function. In order for it to be a function and pass the vertical line test, it would only pass through at one time. So we'll look at another example. Okay, so for this one over here, 2, 2 is paired together. 2, 3 is paired together. 2, 4, and then 2, 5. Again, if I use my vertical line test, draw a line, it is a vertical line. So this is also not a function. And again, it's repeated. 2 is paired with 2. It has multiple outcomes. That we can't predict what our outcome would be. All right, for graphs of functions, you can check to see if a graph is a function with the vertical line test, or you could use your pencil too. Vertical line test. If you draw a line through the graph and it touches 2 or more points on the graph is not a function. So it's not a function if it touches 2 or more points at the same time. So we're going to use the vertical line test. And if I just draw a bunch of vertical line tests for this, because usually I would use my pencil and move across, but since I'm doing this digitally, I'll just draw some multiple points. Now, if you look here, it touches 3 times. Again, here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is an example of not a function. Now, if I were to draw a vertical line here, and I'll just show you, it only touches once. So this one is a function. I want to use that. All right, so for this one, I'll draw my vertical line. And if you look, it touches 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's touching 2 or more points, so this one is not a function. The other thing that we will look at are function tables. And you can tell that a function, is linear or nonlinear from a table of values. An input and output table can be used to find the x and y values of a function. So inputs are x coordinates and outputs are y coordinates. These are also the domain and range. Looking at this table, every input has exactly one output, so this is a function. Now looking at this table, inputs are here, so my x values, my y, 3, 0, 4, 7, 5, 10, 4, we have 2 4s. And if you notice, they have 2 different outputs. So this is not a function.